Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I want to do actually tutorial that I've been trying to do for a while, but there was some stuff that I hadn't tried for this brand. So then we're just gonna do a one brand makeup tutorial, and the one brand that I picked that is one of my favorite brands and it's so affordable is E.L.F. I love E.L.F. E.L.F. is so affordable. You can find it anywhere. You can find it at Ulta. You can find it at Walmart. You can find it, I'm pretty sure, at the drugstores. You can also find it, but it's really affordable and they have some amazing products. And I just love that brand. E.L.F. is like one of my favorite brands and it's so affordable. So for today's look, we're going to do a look using nothing but E.L.F. products. I might use some other brushes from some other brands, but I will let you guys know. But most of the stuff that I'm using is for E.L.F. I even got lashes from E.L.F. and everything. So let's just get started with the look. Okay guys, so I already did prime my eyelids, and the primer that I use is my hydrating concealer by E.L.F. And for today's palette that we're gonna be using, it's this one, the E.L.F. Retro Paradise palette. I know this palette came out like a few months ago, but I did wanted to wait until I did this look so I could try it on. And look at how beautiful this palette is. I want to do like a colorful summer look. I know summer, it's like coming to an end. It's gonna be over by 3 more days. We have till summer, so I do want to create one last summer look before I do let summer 2020 go and then say hello to fall 2020. So I do want to create a colorful look. So I have already primed my eyes, and let's just get started with that tutorial. So the first color that I'm going to be using all over my eyelid, it's going to be this color called Fuego. And we're going to take that with a JS5. Okay, and then the next color that I want to be using, it's going to be Caliente on top of that. Oh, and the brush that I'm using is the M441. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. Okay, and then after that color is done, I do want to take this blue color. It's called Sip Sip. And then a brush that we're going to be using, it's going to be this one from E.L.F. is the J1. And we're going to put that all over our eyelid. And I do want to take this really precise brush, is the J4, and I want to take this like purple color, and I want to put it on top of so in between the orange color and the blue color, just to give it a little more depth. And the color is called Tropicana, this one. Okay, and then we're done with this eye look. It's something really simple. We'll come back later to do the lower waterline. So I'm going to do this one off camera, do my liner, and then put the lashes on, and then I'll let you guys know what lashes I used from E.L.F. But those lashes that I'm using, they are from E.L.F. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm finished doing my eyes. So I did end up using this white eyeliner on top of the blue one, just so like I can give it like a more summer look. And for the lashes that I use, it was this one, Troublemaker by the E.L.F brand, which I really love these lashes. This is my first time trying E.L.F lashes. And then let's just get started with the face. So for primers, I'm going to be using these two primers. It's going to be the Poreless Putty Primer and this Jelly Primer. So I'm going to put the Putty Primer wherever I have lots of pores, so in my T-zone, and then I'm going to put this one on the outer parts of my face. Okay, so we have our primers on, and for foundation, I'm going to be using this foundation. It's called the E.L.F Flawless Finish Foundation. I think this is the only foundation they have. This is my first time trying this foundation also. And the color that I got is cashew. It's medium with olive undertones. So, and the only sponge that I'm going to be using today, it's going to be our E.L.F sponge, which I love. This sponge is so affordable. And I'm going to be using these two products for my face. Okay, so we have our foundation on. Then the next products that we're going to be using, it's going to be our concealer from also the Hydrating Concealer by E.L.F. And I'm also going to be using this contouring palette by E.L.F, which I love this palette. It's so affordable, and I feel like it does the same thing as the Anastasia one. So we're just going to do those two things. And I am going to use this brush also by E.L.F that I got at the dollar store. It was only $1. It's a sculpting face brush, and I'm also going to be using our E.L.F sponge again to blend all of those out. And to set up our under eyes, we're going to be using this E.L.F powder. This is the matte blotting powder. I actually got this powder for free when I ordered some E.L.F stuff, and it did came broken. So this is the only E.L.F powder that I have. So we're just going to try it on. And the brush that I'm going to be using, it's going to be a Real Technique brush that we always use. So wish me luck. Okay, and that's the powder. It did kind of messy since it did come broken, but you know, it is what it is. So the next thing that I'm going to be using, it's going to be actually this setting spray that I just bought. I went to Walmart and I saw these setting sprays. I was like, okay, let me try them out. I am so sorry. I always do this in every video, and I swear I don't mean to drop the stuff. I have butter hands, so they just like pop, dropped everywhere. Anyway, so as I was talking about this setting sprays, they do have different color ones, And I decided to get the red one because that one was the prettiest one that I did see. So it's called Loving Setting Spray. Okay, here it is, and let's spray your face. Okay, so while our face is still kind of wet from the setting spray, I am going to be using this what's it called, this highlighter. This is a new highlighter also that I'm trying out, which look at how beautiful it is. And it's like a golden color, which I'm so excited. And the color that I got is 24K gold. And we're just going to use our same BH Cosmetic number 18 and put it on our cheekbones. And put it on our cheekbones. Okay, so this highlighter is actually not really doing anything to me. Like, I keep going like this and I don't see no payoff. So I don't really like this product, which it's cool, whatever. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna bronze our face. And for bronzer, we are gonna use this bronzer by the E.L.F. It's an E.L.F. bronzer palette. And I'm just gonna use these two colors right here, the matte ones, and just put them on my cheekbones. And then for blush palette, I am gonna use this blush palette also from E.L.F. It's a blush palette, that's literally what I call it. And I'm just gonna be using these two colors up top. So I'm just gonna add more highlighter, but I'm gonna get this brush this time by Real Technique. Maybe it will work better. And I'm also gonna get some of that and put it on my eyebrows. Okay, so then I don't have a eyebrow pencil. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set my eyebrows with this E.L.F. brow gel, which I really like. This product is called the Wow Brow, and it's in a brown. It really doesn't say the color, but it's like a dark brown. So we're just gonna set our eyebrows. Okay, and we just got our eyebrows. They look natural, kind of a natural look that we're going for. And we just gotta finish our lower lash and do our lips. And for our lower lash, I am gonna take this green color and put it on with this JS10 and put it all over our lower lash. And it's called Bahamar, this green color, and put it all over our lower lash. And I'm just gonna get this pencil from LA Girl. I know this is not an E.L.F. brand, but I do want to put, it's like a green color. I do want to put it on my waterline, on my lower waterline. So I'm gonna put my mascara off camera, and then we'll come back just to finish our beautiful lips. Okay guys, so I already put my lower mascara, and for the mascara that I used, I just used the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I really like that mascara. It makes my eyelashes and the bottom look longer, which my eyelashes in the bottom, they're really short. But let's just get started with what's next. So the last thing to do is to do our lips. My lips do look kind of, you know, bad. And for the thing that I'm going to be using, it's going to be also this one from the Retro collection. It comes with 4 lip liners and a lip gloss. So let's just open this little baby. Look at how beautiful they are. It's a whole bunch of nudes, and then you do get a pink one. But I'm just gonna use, I think I'm gonna use this color, and then I'm just gonna use also the shimmery lip gloss that it comes here with, and I'm just gonna use this nude one right here, the second one. Okay guys, and that is the look that I came up with. I'm just gonna add some more setting spray. Okay guys, and before we do go, I did forget to put a color in my inner eye. So the color that I'm gonna be using, it's gonna be this white one right here. It's gonna be sea salt, and I'm just gonna take the Morphe M574 and put it on my inner eye. Okay guys, so this is the look that I came up with. You can still rock this look. We still have basically one more day, because today is Sunday, and then Monday still summer, and then Tuesday is fall. So hopefully you can rock this out Monday. But I really do like this look that I came up with. E.L.F is a brand that I really like. They're affordable, they have good products. They do have some hit and miss, like the highlighter, I don't feel like it did a lot of things for me. Like, you know, I feel like it could have been more shimmery, but I mean, that's just me. It's like a natural highlighter. I like a really bomb highlighter, like, you know, that you can see my highlight from like a mile away. That's the type of highlighters that I like. But after all, I mean, after everything, you know, this look came out good. I really do like it. It's a really affordable brand. You can find it anywhere. You can find it Ulta, you know, their website, Walmart, anywhere you can find E.L.F. I'm pretty sure you can also find it at the drugstores like Walgreens, CVS. I'm not sure because I don't really go there. But I really do love E.L.F. And I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And I'll just see you on my next video, because we're just gonna keep making some bum ass videos. Love y'all.